exotic. Squishland surprise mix. It has 2 rares, 2 ultras, and just a rich one. To see the red ones are the rares, and the blue ones are the ultra rares. Now I'm gonna open up and see what I got. Poster. It says how to get on Squishland. I will tell you how to do it. First, get your squishy, go on, enter the code. You get that, and then you get to go play. And you can join free now. Go on squishland.com. It's a virtual world. Awesome game. Oh my gosh. It tells you how to do it. 3 easy steps. I'll tell you what to do. Log on to squishland.com and visit the gallery. Click on your Squishlander and see which style matches your Squishlander. Collect them all. Oh my gosh, it shows some other squishies on that side. Oh my gosh, I wonder what I got in here. A blowfish. I also got a code. I can go on Squishland right now to go enter this code in so I can get my blowfish. Oh, I got a lobster. I also got a code too. I can go on Squishland right now and I'm gonna get 2 pets. Woo! I got a teddy bear. And a code with it. I can go on right now to go enter this code in. I got a turtle and a code. I can go enter this code in right now on squishland.com and I will have 4 pets. It's a red cap. I can go on now and this is a rare one. Oh my goodness, it's a rare parrot. And a code with it too. I can go on right now and I will have 5 pets. I got a seahorse. And a code. I can go enter this in at squishland.com right now. I will have 6 pets. I got a rare monkey. You see, it doesn't look rare, but it is on a back. It has a backpack. I got a code. I can go on Squishland right now to go enter this in. It's a blue one. These are the new Ultra Rares. Oh, you see, these are supposed to be glow-in-the-darks, but they're not. Wobblers took over them, and now there's Ultra Rare. Ultra Rare. Oh my goodness. I got the Ultra Sheep. Look how cute it is. It has pink on it. I got a code. I can go on right now to squishland.com and I can go enter this in to get my pets. name it Pinky. Oink, oink. It has a code. I can go on Squishland right now to go enter the sin. Where'd you go, little buddy? Oh, there you are. Oops. So excited. I got a cow. I have a code. I can go on Squishland right now to go enter the sin. I got another ultra rare. I can hear it back and forth. It's blue. It's an ultra rare. I got the ultra pig. He's got stripes on him. White stripes on both sides. He looks like a plant to me. I got a code. I can go on Squishland right now to go enter this in. Thanks for watching. There's other ones. There's 2 ultra rares, 2 rares. Or you can get the other one that has 1 ultra rare and 1 ultra rare and 1 rare. So these ones are more expensive. So I got the expensive one because this is my website. And don't copy the codes.